Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest software version, so open Xiaomi Earbuds application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see the same menu. You need to scroll down, and right here we have update firmware. Firmware is the same as software, but you need to sign in into your account, because without it you cannot check for updates or update software version. After that, you tap at this line, and if you see the same information, it means that you have the latest software version. If you haven't, you can enter inside and update. Now, if this update didn't help you or you haven't new software version, the next step is to also in the application disable in-ear detection. You need to go to additional settings, and right here at the top we have it. So what this mod do, when you listen to music and remove your earbuds from your ears, it will automatically stop your music, and when you put it back, it will resume the music. So if you need this, you just disable this mod by just tap on time at this slider. Now, if it also didn't help you, the next step is to restart your audio player, because maybe this one is a problem with audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music, just remove this application from the cache, then open it again. And also I recommend it to check if you have the latest version for this application, so go to the App Store or Google Play and update it if you haven't. Next step, if it also didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. At the bottom we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds to perform a factory reset. Firstly, start blinking blue, it's okay, just enter to pairing mode, just keep holding this control. Here we go. After that you can release your finger, and now we need to remove them from the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top if you have this button. If you have iOS, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we'll see them at the device list and we need to tap on them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!